Have you ever pondered the profound impact of your dietary choices on the lives of the innocent animals we share this world with? Every day, countless beings experience unimaginable suffering, a consequence of our consumption of meat and dairy products. Imagine, if you will, a world where every bite of a hamburger, every slice of bacon, and every glass of milk indirectly fuels an industry built on cruelty and exploitation. Picture the life of a farm animal, confined to overcrowded spaces, enduring the heartbreak of being forcefully separated from their young and subjected to painful procedures. The anguish and torment they experience are truly heart-wrenching. Their silent cries for mercy echo in the cold, steel confines of their cages, unheard and ignored. But in this bleak reality, there is a beacon of hope. Veganism offers an opportunity to break free from this cycle of suffering. Choosing plant-based alternatives can actively reduce the demand for animal products, thereby lessening the atrocities inflicted upon these sentient beings. Veganism is more than a diet. It's a powerful act of love. It's a declaration that we value the lives of animals and recognize their inherent right to live freely, without enduring unnecessary harm. By choosing a vegan diet, we embark on a journey rooted in kindness, compassion, and respect for all living beings. So let's take a stand. Embrace veganism as a force for change, as a means to alleviate the suffering endured by animals. In doing so, we not only nourish our bodies with wholesome plant-based nutrition, but we also cultivate a world that thrives on love, empathy, and harmony. Let's be the change we wish to see, a world where animal suffering is no more, where love triumphs over cruelty. Together, we can make this vision a reality. Let's choose compassion. Let's choose love. Let's choose veganism.